What's up, guys? We're out here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Ottawa, Ontario. We're about to head inside and check it out. We're right at the casino entrance right now, and there's a hotel right behind it. This was opened just last year, I believe in 2025, along with the one in London, Ontario. I have a video on the one in London. I'll link that video down in the description down below if you want to go ahead and check that out. But this is the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Ottawa, Ontario. One of the first Hard Rock hotels in Canada, actually. Let's go inside, check it out, see what they have to offer, see what it looks like, the layout, and so on. I'll bring you guys with us and show you what's up. If you're new to the channel, this is Jerri Vlogs. Definitely feel free to subscribe, free to do. I'll be doing much more on Ottawa and Quebec. Definitely stay tuned for those videos. All right, let's go. This is what it looks like inside the casino floor. It's a pretty huge casino floor. Here's what inside the washrooms look like here at the Hard Rock in Ottawa, Ontario. And this is the male washroom, obviously. By some miracle, I'm the only guy in here right now. Pretty huge washroom. This is the entrance to the Hard Rock Cafe. This is their box office entrance. This is what it looks like inside the rock shop. And they always have one of these in all the Hard Rocks. Down here they have their food court. On the right they have a shawarma spot called Shawarma Shop. And then down here they have bricked Italian kitchen. You can get your Italian fare here. Pizzas, sandwiches, salads. A pepperoni pizza here is gonna run you $14.45. In the center they have a bar. You can grab some drinks. Then over here they have Constant Grind. That's just looks like they sell soups, poutines, sandwiches. Okay, so continuing to the next side, we'll see what they have over on the other side of the casino floor. Going this direction, we're heading towards the hotel lobby section. This here is the center bar, located right in the middle of the floor. And over here it looks like their sports book, the cashier. This section is their high limit section, so you can play high limit slots and table games over here. This here is a steak and seafood house called Council Oak, and you can see they have the menu here as well as a variety of steak knives. Here's what it's like inside Council Oak. You can see they have an area here with a bar and some additional seating. A Mick Jagger Rolling Stone suit here. This is the hotel lobby area. A variety of guitars here, along with a suit from Prince himself. Those are the elevators towards the hotel. Got a Michael Bublé suit here. Mick Jagger suit here. Over here we have a Carrie Underwood dress and an Alicia Keys dress. Heading back out towards the front. All right, peeps, we just walked through the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Ottawa, Ontario. Obviously, I didn't stay at the hotel. I just wanted to check it out and see what it's like in here. They have a sizable casino here, big casino floor. Not the biggest, not like the ones in Vegas, but big enough. A lot of people here, actually. They have a hotel attached, right? So I just showed you guys the hotel lobby area. They have a lot of guitar features all over. Obviously, it's a Hard Rock Hotel, and that's their signature item. A lot of celebrities, Drake, The Weeknd, Mick Jagger, Prince. They have clothing that they wore, like suits and so on, instruments that they played and that type of stuff. They have a big food court area, which I'm sitting in right now. It's called the Marketplace. That's where you'd grab your bites to eat. Most of the shops here are empty though, and they're closed. I'm not sure what time they open till. I'm actually here at 6 p.m. on a Monday evening. Definitely looks nice in here. I'm sure the rooms are great too. I'll put up some shots of what the interior rooms looks like, the standard king or the double king or queen that they might have here. Yeah, this is what it looks like inside the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Ottawa, Ontario. As of the time of this video, I'm checking online on their website right now, and a standard king bedroom is going for about $450 plus taxes. Keep that in mind if you're looking to stay here, and this is on a Monday night, so the price might be higher during the weekend, but I'm pretty sure it depends on the season that you're coming as well, so keep that in mind. Average of $469 plus tax per night to stay at the Hard Rock in Ottawa, Ontario. Alright peeps, that's gonna wrap it up for a video here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Ottawa, Ontario. Cool spot. I didn't stay here. Obviously, I came through to check it out as we're visiting Ottawa and Quebec in this trip. We just popped by the Hard Rock to see what it's like. I know they were opened last year in 2025. I believe it's the first or second location to open in Canada as a Hard Rock Hotel. There's one in London, Ontario, as I mentioned earlier. Great spots. They look really fancy, modern. There's a lot of dining in there. You can get a lot of stuff to to eat, there's a big casino, huge floor, lots of slots, lots of table games. They even have a players club as well, and they have high limit rooms if you want to bet heavy, so keep that in mind. You can stay here for roughly between $350 to $450 a night is what I saw on average. Obviously the price does go lower and higher depending on the season that we're in, but yeah, that's what I saw when I checked it, and I'm checking it in July, at the end of July in 2026, the middle of summer. Nice spot to come get some entertainment. They have shows here as well. There's a big showroom box office that you can check out live entertainment when it is available, and they also have a steakhouse in there as well as other restaurants. They have a huge center bar in the middle, which is pretty cool. You can just chill, lounge, and have some drinks. They have a lot of spots in the food court you can check out. Keep that in mind as well. We're gonna wrap the video up right here. Thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate you watching as usual. If you like this type of content, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We are gonna see you in our next video. Stay tuned for more on Ottawa and Quebec. Take care. Peace out.